Did you know that one moment of rage destroyed an entire empire and plunged Russia into chaos for decades? In 1581, Ivan the Terrible was arguing with his eldest son, Ivan Ivanovich. The prince had criticized his father's brutal policies and military failures. What happened next changed history forever. In a fit of uncontrollable fury, the Tsar raised his iron-tipped staff and struck his son in the head. The heir to the Russian throne collapsed, bleeding from his skull. For 3 agonizing days, Ivan the Terrible watched his beloved son die. The prince who was supposed to inherit the vast Russian Empire was gone. But here's where it gets worse. The only remaining heir was Fyodor, Ivan's mentally unstable second son who could barely function as a ruler. When Ivan the Terrible died 7 years later, weak-minded Fyodor took the throne. Russia immediately descended into what historians call the Time of Troubles. 30 years of civil war, famine, and foreign invasion. One violent swing of a staff nearly destroyed the largest country on Earth.